You can't tackle him.
You can't tackle him.
You can't tackle him, Bertram. You gotta block him.
No. Ooh, nice. Oh. Oh.
Hey.
Hold it, watch.
Go.
Hands. Get his hands off you.
Go, Johnny!
Hands off Christian. Get his hands off you. Good. Get rid of him, Christian. Use your hands. Get rid of him. Oh, Christian
Oh,
got
you
him.
got him.
Oh!
His hands off you. Keep his hands off you.
Oh, nice. That's very nice.
Martine, you got, there you go. There you go. You got to swim out of those arms, Martine. Get his hands off you. Slap him down. Slap the hand down.
There you go. Nice. Damn, it's fucking on my glove. Bad.
Quarterback?
Drop his hands down.
Get your hands. Get your hands. There you go.
Oh,
there you go.
Stop right there. Hey, no!
Not him.
Fine, Reese. Oh, you made it easy for him. I just told
Alright, who was the next?
you don't want to get leg whipped and get hurt.
Yeah.
Ready? Go. Get rid of him, Jacob. Get rid of him.
Get his arms off you, Jake.
Big old guy, Jacob. Come on.
Marcus, keep inside hands on him. Inside his chest. Inside hands. There you
In the
go.
corner. Jacob. Come on, get back up. Get back up. Let's go. Get back up.
Come on, Jacob, throw.
Marcus got a handful of jerseys and ain't let him go.
Jacob, you got to break them arms off. There you go.
There it is. There it is.
They got tired.
Get his hands off you. Scoop your hand under his elbow. Lift it off you.
Keep moving, Lima. Stay in the square. Oh, you got rid of Wyatt. Oh,
There it is.
Keep on your feet. Keep your feet. Move your feet, Johnny. Move your feet.
Hold him. Hold your hand.
Johnny.
Peel him off.
Next three. Next three.
Go.
Hands on the inside. Hands on the inside. Move your feet. Move your feet. Move your feet.
Get his hands off you.
Get rid of him. Get rid of him. There you go.
Yeah, good.
All right, next.
Monty's over here dressing himself. Can't go down, man. Hey, still going.
There you go. There you go.
Hands inside.
Inside though, not on the shoulders. Can't tackle. You gotta let that go.
There you go. There you
Keep
go.
the hands inside on the chest.
Hey, you made it easy for him.
Okay, first three.
Keep your feet. Keep your feet, Reese. Come on, get rid of him, Bertram. Good job, Bert. Good job, Lima. Get rid of him. Get rid of him, Lina.
Jacob, keep the hands in the chest.
There we go. Get back up. Get back up. Help him out. Get back up. Help him out.
Get him
Peel him
low.
off.
Hands gotta be inside on the chest, not outside on the shoulder offense. Hands inside.
Keep moving your feet, Christian. Keep moving your feet.
Good job, Chris.
Good job.
Good job, Chris. No.
Keep your weight too far forward. Keep going. What are you doing? Don't.
Oh, he held him. He was letting go because he grabbed his jersey.
Yeah, you have pushed him.
He hooked his jersey.
Oh, nice.
Stay behind him, Florida. Stay behind him. Stay on your feet. Stay on your
Oh.
feet, Munoz. Stay on your feet.
Oh, good try, Monty.
Hey, go, 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 go!